Guess what? Making money online has never been easier. Let's get you started with the laziest hacks for 2025. Affiliate marketing is your first golden ticket. Just grab links from sites like Amazon, share them around, and watch the commissions roll in. Next up, get paid to watch ads and short videos. Sounds crazy? It's real. Platforms will pay you just to enjoy some screen time. No products to create, no problem. Resell digital goods like templates or AI art on Etsy or Gumroad. Set it up once and let the passive income flow. Microtasks and surveys are great too. Apps like Swagbucks pay for simple tasks like testing websites or filling out surveys. Lastly, freelancing without fancy skills. Virtual assistant gigs on Fiverr or Upwork can be as easy as replying to emails or data entry. Now, for the extra bucks, consider learning top skills in 2025. Digital marketing, AI tools, and content creation can seriously boost your income. If you love these lazy money-making tips, hit that like button and subscribe. Thinking of learning a new skill? Tell us in the comments below.